Here are my twists. I hope these turn out cute for church on Sunday. I'll show you this medicine that kind of really upset her stomach. I don't know what. I gave her one of these syringes. What is this medicine? But they said this is equivalent to like an ibuprofen for humans. Honey, I gave her one of these yesterday and I think this did it. This just made her really sick last night and she couldn't even hold down her food, so it was horrible. So the vet said to hold off on this. What is the name of this? I need my readers, guys. But anyway, and then this one, what's this called? It's kind of like a painkiller. This one they think too could have caused her to have the diarrhea. So anyway, they gave us these, and these are like little capsules. And of course, she's not going to swallow this. So I have to cut this thing open, pour it in her Fresh Pet, because she has to eat mushy food, which luckily her Fresh Pet is mushy and it's soft. So I just cut it up in even smaller pieces, but she eats it. So had no problems there. So far so good. She hasn't had any medicine today. She was on it all yesterday. And then they pretty much drugged her up with that anesthesia and the pain meds when they pulled her teeth on the 29th. But this is her little bag. Isn't it cute with the little Layla? But she, oh, my husband wrote this too. We want to look at something. I forgot what they said to look at. Because we have the hardest time cleaning her teeth, y'all. If y'all have fur babies, do you have a hard time cleaning their teeth? Honey, she does not like any kind of toothpaste and she doesn't like anything in her mouth unless she picks it up herself. So we have the hardest time brushing her teeth. So the vet gave us this website, VOHC or something to look at for that, regarding that issue. But somebody told us to get greenies. We got those. Them things are so big, even the mini ones. I mean, she just looked at that like, what is that? She doesn't play with stuff like that. She's very, very, very finicky, okay? So all this, y'all, even though we paid for this in her procedure, they tell us to take her off of this. So that's money down the drain, but I'd rather have it just in case, you know, she's in pain. But my husband's gonna pick up another prescription that they told us would help her stomach. They close at 5:30, so my husband's gonna go by and pick that up because I don't want to have her in any kind of pain or anything over the weekend when they're closed, girl. So other than that, I washed my hair. What else are we doing? I want to do a twist out or something. Girl, I want to get braids back again already. And I just haven't yet. I'm going to give this twist out a try. But being in the gym, honey, every day, if not every other day, it's just hard to keep this hair up. And then going to church and stuff, it's just so easy to have braids. Somebody told me to get a sew-in. I don't think I've ever had a sew-in, but I need something with ease for my hair. And that's why I kind of want to do the big chop. But I won't, because I enjoy pulling my hair back in a ponytail if need be, you know. But other than that, guys, that's it. We made tacos this week. I haven't had tacos in so long. We used to make tacos on Tuesday for Taco Tuesday, but I haven't done that in a while. So I say, ooh, let's have some tacos this week. And I think I made it on a Wednesday. Honey, we've been eating them Wednesday, Thursday, and I think I'm gonna have them tonight instead of my Friday night pizza or Italian. I love a good taco. Just some tacos we made here with the McCormick taco seasoning, honey. Put them in the oven, them shells, and that's dinner. And then we had some chips and salsa. It was so good. But other than that, I have some videos to edit for you guys. And I'm going to finally get to those clothes in that sitting room, y'all. That's ridiculous. I still haven't gotten to that. But I'm going to focus on my hair tonight, probably twist and let it air dry and see how my twist out turns out. But who knows? You may see me in some braids soon, okay? Who knows? But I hope you all are having a great week, and let me know what you're doing for the weekend. If I don't pick the camera back up tonight, I will definitely do so tomorrow. I plan on going to my body pump class tomorrow for sure. But that's about it that we're doing right now. But I'll pick up the camera if we do anything special. We're probably just gonna go run some errands tonight and then chill with some Netflix and watch some movies. I still have some Housewives, honey, to catch up on. Salt Lake City Reunion Part 2. Let me know if y'all seen it. I can't wait. I've heard some crazy stuff. And Melody Holt, y'all done quit Love and Marriage Huntsville. I need to go watch my Kempire in a minute. All right, guys, I'll see you. Here's Layla Poo. Say hi, honey. She's feeling a little better. She's feeling a little better today, aren't you? You held down your food. She just always looked like she's flying. Say hi. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Y'all, she's our heart. But she's doing so much better, so we're happy. But anyway, I will talk to you guys a little later, okay? But y'all, I had to get out of that shirt, honey. I got hot because it was plastic on my head too. Underneath this wrap, girl, I got hot in that long sleeve. But honey, let me turn on this TV. Now, Love and Marriage Huntsville, to me, at the beginning of the show, it was good. I'm sick of Martell and his toxic ways, but honey, that show is over if Melody leaves, and it looks like she's leaving. I could see that coming. I mean, she's better than me working with somebody, filming with somebody, an ex at that, who is so toxic. I don't know. I don't see how she does it. You know I love some reality TV, and I am behind because we've been pampering little Layla, taking care of her. But she was initially, she's going in for her dental cleaning, and they told us that most likely they would have to pull little teeth at the bottom. She's doing a lot better, so we knew the teeth cleaning, all her other teeth looked good, so they just needed to pull those. And we knew that with the Maltese breed. You feel good just knowing that she's gonna feel better when she's eating and just all around. I'm all about good dental hygiene for us, so we look at that for her too. Let me know what's been going on in this reality TV world, honey. I need to catch up on Married to Medicine. Again, I haven't seen anything. Really, I'm just concentrating now. Super Bowl, we decided not to have a gathering here with so much going on this month, in the month of February. Both of my brother's birthdays February and my dad's. So it's a busy month. So we're just gonna say, hey, we're just gonna celebrate maybe at the end of February, all 3 birthdays, and just look at maybe hosting something, in the spring. We cannot wait for that. We love to entertain. I will see you a little later. Not much going on for the rest of the day. I just wanted to show you, girl, my twist. I left this conditioner in for like 3 hours and I rinsed it and twisted. I used my Shea Moisture, I believe. I'll have to pull that up and I'll show you here shortly. But the twists are twisting, and I'm gonna let these air dry. I hope these turn out cute for church on Sunday. It'll take pretty much overnight and some tomorrow to dry completely, but hopefully it'll be a cute twist out. Let me know if you're interested in me doing any kind of styles online, ladies. If you would like for me to do maybe a live while I'm doing my hair or something every now and then, let me know what kind of content you would like. But these twists turned out pretty good. They're so juicy. So I'm focusing more on moisture here. So we'll see, and I'll show you the takedown, okay? But this is it. Good morning, friends. Happy Saturday. Girl, I am on my way to Body Pump. Let me roll up this window. With my twist still in, honey. I hope they don't look too bad, but I am not taking these out just to go to Body Pump, okay? We're gonna knock this class out and then go to our favorite spot, of course, Nuke's, for brunch. Also, I had twisted my hair last night, prepping for a twist out for Sunday. So I hope this works. Hope it turns out well. But it's pretty gloomy today. It's supposed to be really nice, but it is pretty cloudy, and it's rained apparently early this morning. But we are on our way. Hubby's already on the way. He's ahead of me. So I will get in this class. So y'all know, I told you I'm just not into the bringing camera and equipment into a class, honey, and filming it. That's just not me. So I don't think I'll ever graduate to that, but we'll see. We'll see. It's usually a big class on Saturday, so I hope it's a good turnout and get a good workout. I am sore from Thursday, honey. I lifted my weight, added to my weight for lunges. Girl, I could feel it in my back and my legs. So trying to get snatched, honey, for spring. So we got to keep on increasing that weight. That's important for women over 50. Definitely weight training is the way to go. I used to be one that did a lot of cardio, like elliptical for about an hour. And I was doing that like 5 or 6 days a week. But the trick is when you're over 40, really, but definitely over 50, you want to incorporate weights for sure. Because I've seen a major improvement since I've done body pump class and free weight exercises with hubbies. I was going to tie my hair down, but I don't want to flatten my twist. They're still a little damp. So I'm going to get here, get a good sweat in, and I will talk to you guys later. Y'all, class was so good. I am drenched. Oh my God. It was a good class. We did stations today. I thought it was body pump, but she had us up in stations, honey. 30 to 45 second increments. Woo! I know I burned a lot, girl. I forgot to turn on my Apple Watch, my workout setting. So I don't know how many calories I burned, but it was a lot, okay? Oh, what a good workout. What a good workout. Watch out, y'all. Let me get out of here, child. All right. So anyway, we're going home, get showered, check on Layla. She is such a smart girl, y'all. She had to go the other day when we were in the gym. And I was kind of worried about that and should have stayed home and skipped the gym, but I'm glad I went. She's so smart, guys. She could have had an accident on the carpet or anywhere, but she was smart enough to go to this blanket by the patio door where we take her out back to potty, and she pottied there. She didn't even potty on the rug, on the carpet, anything. She really had to go, and mommy left her to go to the gym, so she knew that was the safest place to potty. She's so smart. She is so smart. So we're so proud of her. And even if she did poop somewhere else, that baby was sick from those meds. So anyway, guys, I'm on my way home, get showered, and I'll catch up with you guys a little later. Hey guys, I just got out of the shower, put on my little face, and we are actually going to have breakfast today. So I'm up here in the bonus room real quick with Layla. She had to go outside. Look at her. She's doing a lot better. Say hi. But yes, guys, we're going to have breakfast instead. I'm looking out the window to see where my husband is. But I hope you're having a great Saturday. It's very cloudy here, but very decent outside. So we're going to enjoy this beautiful day. So I will see you soon. And y'all, yes, I was going to take down these twists. And honey, it looks like it's raining in the forecast. And I do not want my twist out to be fluffy. I want it to be presentable for church tomorrow, okay? I was going to throw on a ball cap, but I think I'm just going to wear them out. I think they look okay. I should show you in the back. I think they're okay, you know. Shoot, put on some of these earrings, maybe some big hoops. I may change that out. Put on a sweatshirt, girl, and go eat. And then